All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Living life the right way, and we're at Starbucks coffee, getting some what is it called?
Puppuccino.
Puppuccinos.
No, we're getting cappuccinos.
Cappuccinos.
And Thanos, we have Thanos with us, and he's gonna get a puppuccino.
His first puppuccino. Got it. All right, so we're in line, and no matter what Starbucks you go to, I mean, the line is just gonna be wrapped around and around and around. Y'all love y'all some Starbucks coffee. So we'll see if Thanos loves Starbucks as well.
Hopefully he does.
Well, no, not. We ain't about to be coming here every single time he wants some coffee.
A puppuccino, they don't get coffee.
Well,
do you know what a puppuccino is?
It's for something for the puppies.
But do you know what it is?
It's a chino for the puppies.
But do you know exactly what it is?
I know. What is it?
It's basically a cup full of whipped cream.
Really?
That's it.
You have to pay for these?
I don't think so. I think it's free.
Oh, well, anyways. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Thanks to the Starbucks.
Wanted to get a puppuccino.
You said a frappuccino?
A puppuccino.
What else can I get for you?
I also had a mobile order for Jasmine.
Made it through the Starbucks line, and Thanos has his first puppuccino, so let's see if he likes it. Thanos, baby.
Thanos. Thanos. Oh, messy. Is it good? It must be, because you're licking everything.
But it's getting on you?
Yes, that's a little messy. So you can see, like, remember that video I showed you where when they're drinking the water, their tongues kind of curl up? You can kind of see
his
yeah, the back of his tongue curl up. Oh,
sorry.
Come on, bruh. You got one job.
Safe to say he enjoyed it. You like yours? Or you didn't taste it?
It's all right.
It's the peppermint.
Nah, it's more so the cappuccino.
You mean the coffee?
Right.
It's more than the coffee.
You living like a king.
No, you can't have this.
It's not bad.
Let me taste it. You want to taste mine?
What is yours?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon might not be bad.
Oh, I could taste the mint.
Nah, I don't like that go together.
I don't think yours go together.
Shit.
I don't like peppermint stuff though. Alright, so it's safe to say that Thanos enjoyed his puppuccinos.
He devoured it.
Look at this cup, guys. Okay. He's still looking. Look, it's empty.
There's nothing else.
Empty.
Thanos. Nothing else. No, you can't have this. There's nothing else in there.
So yes. Thanks Starbucks for creating this puppuccino. I guess Thanos will be getting that a little bit more often now. We don't really drink coffee out a lot, but when we're out on the go, we like to stop and get us some Starbucks. Corey really does like hot chocolate and stuff, but I love me a good coffee. But he was a trooper today. He did a cappuccino.
Did a cappuccino with some peppermint. Did I get some caramel on it? No, I think I left that off.
Yeah, you left that off.
But it's pretty fine. Pretty decent.
And I got the cappuccino with oat milk and gingerbread and cinnamon. Real spicy for this fall day. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy National Cappuccino Day.